Hi everyone, I'm Tatyana Arbouzova, CEO of Innovate QA, and I can't wait to see all of you at Innovate QA 2026 on June 4-5 in Bellevue. This is literally 2 weeks away. And today I wanted to tell you guys about the workshops that are going to be happening at the Innovate QA 2026 that you don't want to miss. The first workshop that I want to show you is the workshop by Jennifer Zhang about how to test accessibility for the AI products. This is a workshop happening at 10 a.m. on day one. And Jennifer Zhang is coming back as a speaker third year in a row. She's such a great expert in accessibility, and this would be a great workshop for you to attend. The second workshop that we have on day one is the workshop by Deep Barrow from Context QA. He's going to be talking about testing AI agents. How do you evaluate AI agents? What is important when you're testing them? And how to do regression testing for them. This will be also, this will include the ambassadors from Context QA who are going to be assisting him, like Jackie and Lakshmi. Now, let's go to the day two. We have another workshop happening on day two at 1 p.m. This is a workshop by Igor Dorovskych and Grigory Kolstein. They're going to be talking about breaking GPT and Claude. So this is a must-attend workshop about how do you test LLMs and how do you compare them. It's going to be a hands-on experience using Agenta AI on how to evaluate LLM models. This is definitely a great workshop. It's going to happen at 1 p.m. on day two. And these are the three amazing workshops that we have for you. I hope to see you there. Bye.